This video will show you how to use the LXCE UpdateXpress to remotely back up the system configuration to the external file, including hardware and firmware inventory, VPD, FOD license. Launch the UpdateXpress with administrator privileges. In the Welcome window, click Next. In the Target Server window, select Manage the Remote Server. Input the BMC login credentials of the target server, BMC IP address, username, password, and port number. Click Next. In the Task window, select Backup System Configuration. Click Next. In the Backup System Configuration setting window, click Browse to select the backup file location. Select one or more backup items. When the firmware configuration in LXCE and UEFI or SED authentication key is selected, set the password for the backup files. Select an encrypt method. Click Next. The backup execution is in process. It might take several minutes to complete depending on your server configuration. After the process is completed, click Next. In the Finish window, click the log to check the updates and click Close to exit.